years almost this thing sat idle and out of the weather, not climate controlled or anything. 2 years. I put a new battery in this thing, literally 4 revolutions of the starter, if you will, or the engine, and it fired. Of course, I did it intermittently to make sure we were building up oil pressure and everything, but no lifter noise, no nothing. This thing fired right up, carried instant oil pressure. Ford, you rock. I'm a Chevy guy and a Mopar guy, but Ford, you rock. These 460s are awesome. But yeah, man, it's alive. I can't believe it. I figured this thing would spit, sputter, and carry on, but nope, fired right up. 4 revolutions of the engine that fired right up. So that's awesome, man. We're another step closer. I did get the battery done up front. I redid this box and everything. I don't have the hold down for yet. I'll put the picture of that in. We're there. Ain't got much longer to go, man. We'll be down the road, get some tires put on it, go over this transmission and the rear brakes and stuff, front brakes, and we're getting there, man. So another thing we discussed earlier, or I mentioned earlier, was we were going to replace all these old lights. Some are single incandescent to the new LED lights, which we've got here. The dual ones, like up on the ceiling, I'll replace with the Corey brand. And they'll be dimmable, as well as these. These, I can't remember what company this is, but they're a pretty nice light, almost the same footprint, just a tick bigger. But they actually dim as well. So, with this switch. So, just about every light in here now will be dimmable. So, that'd be pretty nice. The intentions are to move that confounded TV there away from there and get rid of that TV, put it aside something. We're going to put a flat screen here mounted somewhere. I'm not sure, because our sofa is here, which we're thinking about replacing with something that don't sit so far off the wall. And we'll have a TV here, a flat screen here somewhere, whether it can stay here and mount and hang somewhere here out of the way, or I can get a mount that I can just very simply lift it up off the mount and store the TV while we're in transit to wherever. So, but yeah, we're starting on the lighting right now, and you can see the weather's getting warm in this wonderful Winnebago headliner. It's starting to rear its ugly face. I just put the first Corey a double light Corey, which is dimmable. This is what they look like. You push the switch to turn it on, and obviously go up or down. Twist the knob to go up or down. LEDs. This thing is awesome. Very nice light. I'm sure it's bright here, but I'll turn it down for you real quick. Works really good. No flicker. Turn it down for you. Dims down pretty good till you see the red light come on. You know you're all the way down. Turn her up. I don't know what the lines are for. And then the green light comes on, you know you're turned all the way up. Very nice light. Very happy with them. So if you're looking to replace them, the Corey doubles are awesome. I highly recommend them. We had discussed about doing a new ceiling in here, and I saw a couple ideas. I thought, hey, I'll give it a try. And we did that with some medallions and screws. They work pretty good. Looks like it actually looks like button tuck interior on the ceiling, but hey, it's not perfect, but it's acceptable. And we did the whole ceiling, including the bedroom, which was really bad. I kind of restretched best I could, and got it all buttoned up into place, if you will. So now we're doing the last of the lighting upgrades. I hate to change those lamps. They are the original ones, but that one over here on the left side's got an issue. I did order new ones that's more modern, a little smaller, not as big and bulky to smack your hands on while you're sleeping. But I'm going to go ahead and put the new ones in. But the time may come where I find another one of these older ones here, and I can change and put LED bulbs in them as well. But we'll see. I want to put the new ones on for now, and we'll be good to go. Put a new residential looking light in the bedroom. I really like that. That turned out nice. And we're getting there. Ain't gonna be much longer. We're waiting on the guy to get us an appointment. We're gonna get tires put on here, go through the brakes, and we're gonna be camping soon. So whether it's a tractor pulling or just us going camping finally, the little girl's probably gonna be back on the road here very soon. So keep in touch. We're gonna start a new YouTube channel. Actually, if you're seeing this, we already have. So I did order a cover for the stove. It's been missing since the day I bought it many years ago. So it's there, and haven't screwed it down just yet, but it fits good, and it's a matter of putting a couple screws in it and it's ready to go. Just a matter of cleaning everything out, scrubbing the carpet up nice. Eventually it will get a new floor if we keep it, but we'll see what happens from then. So keep in touch.